Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share you how you can make day to night transition video using BN app. So friends, let's start. I already import a video on my timeline. I want to edit this, okay? Now split the video into two pieces. Then select second part video and go to filter here and click adjust. Okay, now follow my steps. Exposure decrease, contrast increase, brightness decrease, saturation decrease, vibrance increase. Now go to HCL, decrease green saturation and decrease all existing color saturations. Okay. Now tap to the filter and choose Essence, then E2. Now again go to adjust and adjust temperature. I decrease it. Okay. Now back to the video. Click plus icon for add a transition. Here you chose dissolve to. Okay. Now play the video, see result. So friends, if this video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.